Hello everyone, welcome to HujiProductions. Today I'm looking at toolboxes. So, first of all, I want to show you what I've been using. Oops, just lost my phone. Try that again. Right, I've been using my faithful Morrison's toolbox. So, plastic bag, plastic, paper bag, reinforced. Been using it loads, really strong. Great for being moving around doing the DIY stuff I've been doing. I'm sure it'd be completely useless for any trade person, apart from putting your lunch in. But it's been very useful. I was told I needed an upgrade. So I got this. It's got two compartments in. The original Morrison's plastic paper bag, another cardboard paper bag from Amazon, and then some other stuff thrown in the middle. But that's not what this is about. That's just a bit of history. So I decided to get myself one of these really nice DeWalt TSTAK systems. So this is the 2.0. It is second generation, so it's stronger, better waterproofness, higher IP rating, and it's got stronger clips. So the idea of the system is that you can buy different modules and click them all together. So we have, this is combo pack. So you've got a clip here, so you can undo this clip and the one on the other side, and then that pops off. So, oops. This is a toolbox. It's got a nice sturdy grab handle at the top. It's got another one here if you want to carry it vertically. It has a name tag thing in it, so you can take the TSTAK yellow pit out and put your name or ID or company name, whatever you want to do. It's got very strong metal clasps at the front, and then as you open it up, it comes supplied with a nice little picture of all of the different TSTAK components you can get, which I'll put up at some point. It comes with these like shadow cutout parts that you can use if you're putting in delicate stuff. Obviously, people use these for very varying jobs, from heavy duty trade stuff to lightweight engineering, test equipment, something that's a bit more delicate. So you can cut these squares out and get your components, your multimeters, your test kit to fit in there. It's got another layer of this, so you've got some choices on how you do this, or you can throw them to one side and just use it as a box. So this is a shallow one. You can get a deeper one, I believe. So that's the toolbox part of it. I think it's quite nice being shallow, because when you put tools in a deep box, you always lose sight of what's down at the bottom, and they're hard to find. So my thought behind this was to get one with a toolbox that big, which is quite a generous size, and then this comes with this two drawer system. So it's got a nice little action here, this little handle thing behind there that you pull as you pull it out. That undoes little clips here which are either side, and then you can pull that out, You've got a nice deep access drawer. It's on nice metal hinges here, normal sort of cabinet hinges. And then you can, although it's got these different compartments, you can actually take these out, put different size parts in. So you could just throw them across the table. Back in. Helps if it's the right way up. So you can have that, so you can have longer items across if you want. And I say it's 2 drawers, so you've got another one at the top there. So really nice bit of kit, expandable. And I say it all stacks together on these clips with metal hinges like that. You've got a nice big handle to carry it around like that, and that's it. That's the new toolbox. That's the upgrade from the lovely trusty Morrison's bag. What do you think? Better? So, I've just realised you don't know how big this is, and you need to know, right? So, that's how big the handle is, and that's how big the rest of it is. Kind of matches lovely with the colour, doesn't it? Yeah, I like that. Now, let's see if it's convenient for putting it here. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. How good is that? I'm liking this system. It's very good. I like it. Cheers.